Well, for those of you that don't have to deal with snow, I am about to go shovel my back deck so the dogs have a place to go to the bathroom. So, let's see how bad it is here. If I can get the door open. Holy crap. Well, this is the before picture. And I'll give you the after. Now, before I do the after picture, I thought I would show you how deep this stuff actually is. That's the ground. And see if I can get in. Yeah. That's how deep this is. Might have been from snow falling off the top of the roof, but yeah. That's where I get shovel right now. Alright, well, I've shoveled as much as I'm going to shovel. Give you an idea of how deep it was. Step down. That's a pile of snow I removed. Buster, what do you think about all this snow, Buster? Huh? What do you think about all the snow, Buster? Alright. Go shovel the driveway. Holy smokes. Where is... It is like up to my windows in my car. This is nuts. And they said I should be okay to work for tomorrow. Yeah. Well, I better do a lot of plowing. This is nuts. Anyway, I'm off to shovel. I've lost track of time. Just thought I'd give an update of how far I've gotten. I've been able to clear this off. This has been hell. This is about as far as I've gotten. Well, I didn't get much further. Ended up helping a neighbor out. So I'm gonna call it quits for tonight. About all I could do for today. But again, managed to cut my way out. This is nuts. This is way too much snow for me.